My Pentair IntelliChlor cold water light is on even thought the water is warm. I have cleaned the unit and reset it by disconnecting the power. It is 2 years old. Do you have suggestion on how to fix? Thanks. Hi, I am here to help you with your question. We can continue talking here until you are completely satisfied I have answered your question. Is your IntelliChlor hooked up to an EASYTOUCH controller? If it is, what is it reporting as your water temperature?
There is not an EASYTOUCH controller. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. It is hot here.
Have you had your salt tested? What is reading? Can you run this test and tell me what you get? 1. Press and hold the More button for 3 seconds until the lights scroll across the unit. 2. 1 of the 5 sanitizer output LED indicators, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80% and 100%, will be lit. Which one is lit?
The 20% LED light shows. My unit is now reading low salt. My test strips indicate the salt level is at 2,500 parts per million. I have a 10,000-gallon pool.
Your cell only has about 2,000 hours on it. It should have another 8,000 hours of life, but that does not mean the temp sensor is not bad or something is shorted out. 1. Was there any chance that cell could have froze over the winter? 2. Backing up a bit, did you have this error before you cleaned the cell? 3. How much calcium did you see in unit before you cleaned it? 4. What procedure/solution did you use to clean cell? Let me know. Thanks. My pump has a sensor on it and the pump turned on when it got cold. That being said, it did freeze and snow here a few times. I had this error before I cleaned the cell. I did not see any calcium when I cleaned it. It was very clean. I cleaned it muranic acid. I placed water first then added the acid. I got very little bubbling as it was pretty clean. Just check the salt again in pool and it has more like 3,700 to 4,000 parts per million. The low salt light is on.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.